Okay, what's up everyone, thank you so much for watching. Welcome to this channel again, and might just be the most stable this channel has been. Frequent videos, concentrated videos. Oh wait, they've not been stable, now they're about to stabilize. Welcome to this episode. It's more like an unboxing. I'm still working on this idea of being committed to the channel and being committed to doing this content. So to make it much better, there's some things that you just need that you can't work without. Like putting things in place that make me just a bit more reliable and a bit more stable. And talking about stability, this is not like the last things we unboxed. It's not yeah, pretty hefty. This is the Neewer. This is probably one of the most efficient brands I've seen for content creators, and these guys make very efficient things very affordably. So yeah, to make this channel a bit more stable, I've gotten myself the Neewer. That's funny. Oh man, this whole knife unboxing thing is really much fun. Like, you can use this to relieve yourself of stress. I understand why people are actually fascinated. Yeah, I didn't think very well, but I think this was an unboxing that I should have done standing. They are two stands, but there's no need for us to have two stands. I guess there is. You tell me. You guys are the bosses. You tell me what you want, I'll do what you want. One or two? Guys, I guess one. This is 260 centimeters. That's like twice my height. If you guys know me, this is silver. I like the silver version because apparently it looks like the bigger stands that are very like Hollywood level. So it's like my way of getting there. It doesn't make a point, but it does somehow. Because the black ones are usually the smaller ones. Yeah, if there was something fragile inside, it's just a stand. That's why I'm so confidently just. But if there was something more serious, like, you could easily ruin things inside. Jesus Christ, there should be. Guys, I am so sorry. I feel stupid right now. Excuse my fascination, but it's yeah. So there's this. I don't know why I was using the knife. I'm really sorry. This is one of those things that have nothing to do with edge. Regardless of the edge, you will find yourself playing around with this stuff. This can take me for like a whole week, and I have two of them. So when I'm going out to the field, I take one light. That makes me think and make pictures slightly different from normal. But doesn't mean I won't be taking the second one. Sometimes someone pays you good money and you need to carry lights and more lights, and there's another light and things like that. So yeah, sometimes I'll be taking two, but for now this stand is too strong. It feels hefty. It's actually heavy. I also read that. Did you guys see that? Did you see that? Spring loaded guys. Spring loaded is what we are dealing with here. I'm super pumped. I feel like I can give someone a free gig right now. Yeah, I feel like I could take pictures for free, which is not a good idea. This definitely for the different connections. There's also a spot for like an arm, which you can put in here and make it a little bit bigger. It's really a huge stand though. The picture, it looked like slightly bigger than the normal ones, but it's bigger than I anticipated. I don't know. So I think the spring is not touching anything. I think there's just a spring in there. Like, it's like you can hear it wobble. Again, this is not a review. I'm just super excited about the stand. I don't care. I'm never gonna be. I don't think I'll be needing 260 centimeters right now. 200 centimeters is like 2.5 meters. I'm like let's not get into those details, guys. Opens wide. It's not a C-stand. We are working towards having a C-stand, but for now this really does the job. I don't have black magic cameras or C200s or whatever, the big expensive stuff. So for now, this can handle almost all the equipment that I have without stressing. I'm sorry guys, I can't help it. But yeah, pretty much that's everything. I like the idea. It's stainless steel, so it's going to be lasting a little bit longer. Usually the black ones have like peelings, like things go off and then it starts looking like white and black. Zebra steel. Two stands, which means the channel. That just directly means that the channel is going to be the most stable it's been, because now we have stands. You know what I mean? Like literally and not literally. So yeah, it makes a lot of sense. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. These will do the job. Well, C-stands would be better, but for now, C-stands need a lot of space. These you can change the legs. For the rest of the videos that I've been shooting, I've been putting like one light. I have a couple of lights, but I've only been putting one light because I don't have stands. Now I have 2 stands, which means the lights are going to be stable, which means the channel is going to maybe look better. So leave me a comment if you must, if you may. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't. I really do appreciate. There's a whole lot more things that are coming in. Otherwise, that's more like it. We were unboxing the Neewer 260 stainless steel stand. Be my left. There's this. Yeah, it's funny here, guys.